Yes, what's going on, people? Tech Jamo, we're doing another little Tech Cribs tour, fam. Now, my boy PJ, yeah, he does music, innit, fam? So, we're in his area, fam, innit? We're gonna go knock on his door, have a little tech tour of his desktop situation, and see what's really good. Let's go. Alright, let's knock on the door, innit? Let's see what I got, fam. Let's see if he's there. Oh shit. My guy.
Jeez,
what are you telling me, my bro?
My guy.
Fam, what? Can we do a little tech talk? What are you saying?
Yeah, come through, man.
Come
through. So let me bring you through.
Okay.
It's actually...
What, in the garden? What? We're going out into the garden, bro?
Yeah, bro, you know how we do.
What
we actually
out here, fam?
found the garden and that.
What, in this little... What's that? Like that, fam?
Come through, come through.
What, in here, yeah?
This is the spot.
What? Fam?
This is it, and this is how we do.
Yo, real quick, tell him your name, tell him what you do, my guy.
I go by the name of Patrick James, music producer, songwriter, artist, sound engineer, anything sound.
Yeah.
I'm that guy.
Okay.
This is us.
What, RGB, yeah?
Well, man, you know we had to do it to them sometimes.
Okay. What? Sound palette? No. Talk me through this. Bro? Let's start off with this. Is this your mic or something? What's going on here?
This is the mic. This is the mic that records all the magic.
Okay.
Neumann TLM 102 with a ISO cube and vocal booth.
Is this the ISO cube thing?
This is the ISO cube.
What is that for, fam? It looks like some sound dampening thing. Like what's going on there, bro?
It just captures your vocals perfectly, so you don't get the echo of the room.
Yeah. Okay.
Literally, whatever you rap from your mouth goes straight into the mic, and you're nice.
Okay.
You're good to go.
And these things here, fam, what's that, like some
acoustic paneling? Because when I made this room, it was just mad echoey to begin with.
Okay.
And then, I thought to myself, I need panels, like I need big man ting panels. So I went out and got these panels, strategically placed them around the room.
Yeah.
No echo.
I'm confused, fam, because this is like a shed, fam, but like, this is like a studio,
man,
fam. What's going on? How are you doing this?
Bro, I have no idea. Like COVID boredom, when it was COVID and I said to my dad, yo, we can make something here. So I gassed him up and then we got hammers out and just knocked down the old shed.
Lord.
And then this is what we made a year later.
Fam, talk to me about these speakers, man. What you got going on over here?
These speakers.
These look a bit dangerous, you know. These ain't no Argos thing, bro.
Adam A7Xs, pristine quality. They give you a lot of accuracy when you're doing sound design work, when you're mixing. And the tweeters as well, the yellow part.
Yeah.
Especially designed so you don't have any ear fatigue, so you can listen to music loudly for hours.
So like that, fam?
For hours. You know when you go out clubbing and stuff and your ears be ringing?
And you got the tinnitus and thing?
None of that here. It doesn't run over here.
Okay, fam. What's this little light, fam? This little mood light, fam. Is that what you're telling me?
I'm not gonna lie, I got that off TikTok for 99p. One guy said it's 99p. I said,
my brother, this is the price I'm trying to hear, my bro.
He said, yo, get this light, it's 99p. I said, he's gassing. I gave them my card details and now it's here. I gotta check my account later and make sure that the money's still there too, but like...
Legit. What is this? This is looking like an aircraft, bro. What's going on here?
That is my mic preamp. I actually use that to power my mic.
What?
It's a tube amplifier by Art. It's called a Pro EP2. It's got 2 channels so you can plug in guitars and stuff and like that, and you can record it straight into the Mac.
Like that, fam?
Yeah, man, I had to do it.
Serious business. Are you sure your desk is not about to take off, my bro? Like, what is that? I was thinking looking wham, fam.
Yeah, man, you know, I had to do it. I thought, you know, since I'm doing it big, I had to add some quality to the room and that. So, yeah, that's my baby right there, you know?
That makes the mic sound like nicer and thing and like...
Yeah, any recording you have, it adds more character, more tonality to it. So, funny thing is, because it's a tube amplifier, you can change the tubes inside to have a different feel and different characteristic. If you go on Amazon, there's loads of tubes you can order, but I did my research and I got one of the best ones for vocals, rap vocals, R&B vocals, and I just put it in channel 1. And yeah, I heard a difference, man. Like for real, when people are coming to record, like they hear a difference as well in the recordings. So yeah, man, definitely gets the job done.
Wavy, fam, wavy. Talk to me about these headphones. What we got going on here, fam? This must be something.
Headphones there. Bayer Dynamics DT990s Pro. 250 OHMs. That's what I use just to mix, really. Yeah, man. They're closed no, open back headphones.
Open
And
back, okay.
yeah, I put them on and they just give me a lot of accuracy when I'm mixing. I find when I listen on there, everything sounds pristine on the speakers. So already the speakers give you accuracy, but these are more like a magnifying glass when you're listening to sounds.
Oh, like that,
ultra close up.
Man's with you, fam, man's with you. What the rascal are these disco lights, my bro? What's going on?
Oh, I actually had something running. Here is just my machine micro. I've actually hooked it up to my drums and stuff. Right now it's playing something, I don't know.
But and all sorts, my bro. Yo?
All my drums are there. You know, it'll be playing stuff. That's what I use for if I'm making a song and I have to lay down drums. This is my go-to machine that I'll be using for drums.
Okay. Now, what's this under here, fam? Fam, I think I remember this from you. It's the sound thing, no? It's the sound thing,
audio interface, yeah, man. I mean, that's what I was using before to record vocals, and it was okay. It was good. You know, it gets you through.
Wow.
But when you want to add quality, you get the mic preamp next to it and hook it straight in. So now it bypasses the whole red box kind of thing. So I don't need to record directly from the box anymore. It's more like a gateway, if you will.
Kind of thing.
Okay,
fam. And you got a little mood light here as well, fam.
Had to do it, man. It changes colours and all sorts, you know.
Oh, like
you know,
that?
you just
What,
touch
little
it.
touch thing?
Little touch it.
What's the brand, fam? What's the brand?
What is the brand? I think it's Alki.
Young Alki, fam.
Alki, you know
about
Alki be taking care of us, man. They be taking good care of us.
Come on, my guy. Come on, fam. And then the screen, fam. In fact, what we're running first of all, it's looking like a Mac.
This MacBook, you know, what is it? I think it's like a 2013 mid-season MacBook. Nothing special, but you know, it gets the job done. You know, you don't need flashy equipment to make anything music. All you just need is a computer that can handle some of the things. And you're good to go. So I mean, it's not the best or biggest MacBook in the world, but it's been part of many projects.
So it's powering all of this right now, fam. That's what you're telling me.
Yeah, you could say that. Yeah.
Mad.
You could say that.
Mad.
It pulls its weight, you know?
The screen, fam. What are you saying for that monitor, though?
This screen, funny enough, I found it in my old shed because I needed a monitor screen when I was making the studio. I told my dad, and I was thinking of going Curry's, and he just said, go in the shed. And I said, why go in the shed? Because our old shed was a big storage space. And like, I found the screen in the shed. Rule number one of the household, you don't really ask questions, so I don't really ask my dad too many questions. But yeah, there was a screen, so.
Okay, little screen and thing, fam.
So you know how we do?
Yeah. No, this is looking tight, my bro, fam. What are you telling me about the office chair, fam? Anything?
Office chair, I think I found this in the shed as well. You know,
it looks like it's doing bits though.
Yeah, I found this in the shed. Had to be done, man. I had to get it in because if I didn't, I spend on average about 5 hours a day in here. Sometimes it's probably even 6, 7, 8, 9 hours straight in here.
Invest in your back, bro.
Bro, your back is everything, you know.
When the working from home thing is going on.
Bro, I'm telling you, like I've been here for days and days and days working on stuff.
Yeah.
But I'm always working though. I mean, like loads of people are in and out, you know. I help them out with their songs, like singers, rappers, voiceover work. Like people come here and like we just make things happen. So.
This is it, bro. My bro. This is looking wavy. I didn't even see the chair, rascal. A whole sofa.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm leaving.
My boy, the caps. He hooked me up with that. I had to.
My bro.
You know when it's late, you don't got a blanket there. When it's late, you know you be in here.
You're doing too much, my bro. You're doing, my bro.
Bro.
My guy.
Yeah, man.
Catch you in it.
This is me.
Oh, what? Your socials? Yo, plug yourself, my G.
On Instagram, I go by the name of _ Patrick James.
Okay.
Twitter, I think it's at myselfpj.
Hey.
I think that's what I use really. I don't really.
I'll put everything down in the description section below anyway, guys.
Down there somewhere.
We're done now. Yeah, I know.